Mastering Everyday English. Wasting Time, Unpacked. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the nuances of the English language. Today, we'll explore the phrase, wasting time. This is a common phrase you'll hear in everyday conversations, and understanding its context can be really beneficial. So, let's get started. The phrase, wasting time, refers to the act of using time on unproductive or meaningless activities. It implies that the time could have been spent more wisely or efficiently. For example, if someone spends hours watching TV instead of doing important tasks, they are wasting time. This concept is often used in both personal and professional contexts. Let's look at some examples. 1. Stop wasting time on social media and finish your homework. Here, the speaker suggests that social media is a distraction from more important tasks. 2. I feel like I'm wasting my time in this job. This indicates that the speaker believes their job is not fulfilling or beneficial to their career goals. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express frustration or concern about how time is being spent. In many cultures, time is considered a valuable resource. Thus, wasting time often carries a negative connotation. It's important to understand this, especially in professional settings, where time management is crucial. The phrase can also be used lightly or humorously among friends, but the underlying message remains the same. To broaden your vocabulary, here are some synonyms. Killing time, idling, procrastinating. Each of these has slightly different connotations but revolves around the central theme of not using time effectively. Understanding phrases like wasting time is key to mastering conversational English. It's not just about the words, but the context and cultural implications they carry. We hope this video helps you in your journey of learning English. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into everyday English.